Welcome to Tokyo! Hi everybody! This is Kumiko-Teressa, Tókyo Ramen Girl. On this episode, we'll be introducing ramens from an izakaya in a Chinese restaurant in Setagaya, Tokyo. It's a very quiet residential area, and these ramens are really good, so please make sure you check them out. First place we're going to introduce you Izakaya style ramen noodle place. This place has a homey atmosphere, which is loved by locals. Ramen noodles are a popular after drinks food. Bean sprouts, corn, green onions, and seaweed with soy sauce based soup. This volume and taste for 500 yen is very reasonable. Of course, homemade chashu is thick and juicy too. You'll be addicted when you have bean sprouts and curly noodles together. Please get off at Umegaoka Station on Odakyu Line from Shinjuku. The next ramen place is in Umegaoka Setagaya, Tokyo. We're going to introduce a ramen noodle from a Chinese food place. Green onions are covering up the ramen noodles. The refreshing match of soy sauce and green onions are exquisite. Chewy noodles and tons of green onions are a great match. Please get off at Umegaoka Station on Odakyu Line from Shinjuku Station. There's a park called Baji-koen nearby where you can see horses. Also, there's a popular shrine among the locals called Shoin Jinja, so please check that out. A Japanese comedian, Doron's Ishimoto, has reported these two ramen noodle places, who is very knowledgeable about ramens. So, what did you think? They looked really good, right? Make sure you go visit them when you come to Tokyo. See you soon. Bye!